with my project share for Globeland, and everything is going to be down in the description below for discount code and to get the same dyes I'm using. So the first one we had was the Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh, so cute. And the rolled flowers. I still have all the rolled flowers and the leaves. I did use the leaves on this project. And then this is a heart-shaped box, and it is really easy to put together. I'm not even kidding. It's so easy. It's two sides and then a top and a bottom and then a layering piece. And then I was thinking when I went to bed the other night, which first off, I'll show you. Look at this, look at this. Are you kidding? I was thinking when I went to bed that I could have and I should have put see how I have, you can't even see it. It's the smallest piece. The smallest piece right here, this heart, I should have put it on the inside to layer. I mean, I still can. Obviously, these flowers I made the other day, but here is the box. And it was so easy to put together. And look what I did with those flowers. I feel like this looks like a succulent to me. Oh, they're so easy. And I always use, when I do my rolled flowers, I use one of these quilling, I don't know if they're needle, quilling pin or something, where can you see it has a little slot, and then you just roll. If you don't have that, you can always use your tweezers and roll too. But I love this. I love the flowers. I'm so excited to use them. And I knew it as soon as I was putting this, even before I put the box together, I was like, I'm gonna make the whole top the flowers. And then I put these leaves that are hanging down. And then I put one there. Oh my gosh, I love it. You can even go on inside. So these rolled flowers are awesome. They're gonna come in handy for so many things. And this box, you can do Valentine's Day, all kinds of stuff. Put chocolates in it. Of course, you can put like flowers. You can put all the rolled flowers in it too. So go in the description. Everything is linked down below, coupon code, and thanks for watching. Bye.